This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
Very good evening. You're watching News Tonight with me, Ashmit Kumar. Let's take a look at the headlines. The Chief Justice of the Madras High Court allows a case to be argued in Tamil today, but the lawyers are far from happy. They want a written assurance. A police case is filed a day after Shashi Kumar committed suicide, but the students want nothing than an arrest of the college authorities. After Tamil in the High Court, Amma now targets the DMK over Kaveri water issue. If lawyers want to argue in Tamil, why should engineers be deprived of studying in the language? New engineering courses now in Tamil. It's 30 minutes or not at all. Madras University promises fast-track admissions for correspondence courses. NDTV Hindu tells you all about how to put your rights right back on track. BCCI rejects suspended IPL Commissioner Lalit Modi's explanations. It's an NDTV exclusive. And Sri Lanka thrashed India by 7 wickets. The Lankans now have a psychological advantage going into the finals. The lawyers may not have won the argument fully, but at least the start seems to be promising for them. The Chief Justice of the High Court today allowed a lawyer to argue a case in Tamil today. But there is no official announcement yet on whether Tamil can be used inside the courts from now on. And that is the point of controversy for which the lawyers say that there needs to be a written assurance and nothing short of that before they call off the protests. The lawyers in the state have been demanding that they be allowed to use Tamil inside the court. The protests, which began from the Madurai bench initially, have been raging on from the past 2 weeks. In fact, some were on a fast unto death. Arrests were made subsequently, and now lawyers also want their arrested counterparts to be released without any further delay. The 20 advocates imprisoned for holding protests continued their fast unto death. In fact, the condition of one of the protesting advocates, Bhagat Singh, is said to be critical. He has been shifted to the government Rajaji hospital.
In order to pressurize the government to notify the Tamil as official language up to the level of the High Court, our agitation is continuing. Hunger strike is commenced on 9/6 and it is continuing till date. 20 advocates are on hunger strike in all jails, Madurai and Chennai. So that is today also, that is we are boycotting the courts, and in order to pressurize the government, we continue the agitation one form or the other, and that agitation will go on till that Tamil is declared as official language in court.
Peer Mohammed was there at the High Court today and he gave us the following details.
Chief Justice promised the advocates that he would not oppose arguments in Tamil by the advocates, and he lived up to his promise, and today one advocate, Ramesh Manikandan, argued his case in Tamil. That was a case about disqualification of Open University graduates. The Ramesh Manikandan argued in Tamil for over 5 minutes, but Chief Justice, because he originally hails from Jharkhand, he took the help of his colleague in the bench, first bench, who is Justice Murugesan, and he got the translation and then posted the case next week. Yes, it is given as a circular or as a notification, it won't be official. And it also needs President's approval to be enacted as a law.
It's a campus meant to promote art, but the government Fine Arts College in Chennai has been in the news for nothing related to art. A day after a student committed suicide in the Government College of Fine Arts, a police case has been registered. But the case seems complicated. The students of the college say Shashi Kumar was forced to commit suicide because he wasn't treated well by the college. The authorities in the college have been long facing allegations of partial treatment. But what is the real story inside the campus? Nithila reports.
The World Classical Tamil Conference opens in Coimbatore.
Even as the Chief Minister M. Karunanidhi is camping to Coimbatore hoping to celebrate the language Tamil, the AIADMK Chief Jayalalitha has shot an arrow at the DMK Chief on the Kaveri issue. Amma has exposed concern about the crisis faced by Kaveri Delta farmers due to the dip in the Kuruvai crop cultivation. Jayalalitha says that the DMK regime's failure to get Kaveri water from Karnataka government and the long hours of power cut has led to a drastic drop in the cultivation. According to some research done by her, the crop was cultivated in only 53,000 hectares this year as compared to over 3 lakh hectares last year. Tamil on signboards, Tamil in the high courts, and something very important now goes Tamil too. Find out what in 2 minutes.